Katanat kepada kimi ia kepulia putih Haribhoi District ke Office of the District School Education Officer hakajing snok ketilang bad ke Office Subdivisional School Education Officer kala penlong ia kajing rakhe ke singi buram kerpang jongki Nonghikai ke bahan repusau lani ke 64th Teachers Day Celebration arja pesan kabla penlong hakasan terik arja pesan haka Parish Hall Nongpo. Hakadi kesingi lapoi ban saki ban pendan buram iki Nonghikai da ubak Charles Marngar MLA jangka Mahuti constituency bat ubalong ru Uwei ni kinong aibut shaka sarkar jela Meghalaya kum ukongsan. Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal IS kum usumbut kongsan ki officer na ketana DSEO Ribhoi ki bakuntob ya ka kong SB Bla ka badai ke District School Education Officer bat kiwei ki he officer na ketanan. Ki Nonghikai na ki school baper lam ki kena school. Hakane ke singi lapen ipo ipeng bat pen syongkun ya kane ke lumpong da ki program baper ki blashim benta da ki kena school jeng ki school baper ling ba ki surgeon roy ki jingshat bat ki skit ki bakit jingmut bat kane ke singi kerpang jeng ki Nonghikai. Lapen kup buram ru lani ka award syaki Nonghikai ki belalan ya ladie haka jing jongki ban ya ke jing syakri haka kam hikai na ka benta ban kentie ki kena school haka jing nang jing start. Kabla penkup buram du ba Charles Marngar MLA Mahuti ba Advisor Government of Meghalaya ba du Abhilash Baranwal IS Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District kini Nonghikai ki kenthob ya ka kong streamlet kongwir ka badai ka Assistant Teacher haka Nehru Memorial High Secondary School Umsning Ushri Russian Pokrail ubadai headmaster jangka Nongpo Nepali Government Upper Primary School Nongpo but uba Justful Walang ubadai head teacher jangka Center Village Government Lower Primary School Jirang. Habakran kum ukongsan na kaliang uba Charles Marngar ula ay mensi mi Nonghikai bat ka jing sungu ka bakraw ka jingla ka jongki ban tre shitam bat banlan ya ladi ka kam hikai na ka benta ban penang pen start ki Khynnah ban poi sha ka thong ban long breu man breu ha ka la ka wei ka jongki. Kumjo la kentu bat ay mensiam no iki Khynnah school bakin minat thap ha ki jing pulia puthi ki jongki bat bakin dei ban du jingkerman bat ban e ka jing pulia tang hashtan inti. Kham tamula kentu bakidei ban long ki bandang ban buram ki bahalor kentob ye ki me ki kpa ki henman ki para ki Nonghikai bat ye ki bahalor bat ban kiar na ki jinglien ki basnio ki bala jellai bha ha ki ne ki singi ki por ban menta.
I know that you have been working very hard, especially I've worked closely with Shri Pokrail, and I congratulate all the authorities and simultaneously I'd like to inform the Chief Guest as well that Pynkylla, our secondary school, is not school which has had self-assessment report in matriculation exam for the last 5 to 6 years, right? So many congratulations to that. Simultaneously, I take this opportunity to appeal to the students that take this day as an important day when you can pay gratitude to your teachers. Often we tend to forget that whatever we are doing today, and whatever as students we are doing today, and will be doing tomorrow, teachers will play an important part in your life. Whether they only do their duty and completely formal official responsibilities that they have been asked to, or whether they go out of their way and make it a mission to improve your lives, is not just dependent on their temperament, is not just dependent on their personality and how they approach their job, but it's also dependent on the fact that they feel reciprocated by the teachers, by the students, and by the parents.
Allow me to say to all our beautiful teachers presently, Happy Teachers Day. You may just be called a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. You are a hero. Your dedication and passion for teaching have shaped countless lives. Your encouragement and wisdom make a lasting difference each day. Your influence goes far beyond the class, shaping the very future of our nation. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, your goodness, your guidance, and your unwavering commitment. As Meghalaya Nusantara reminds us, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. Today it is also my honor to celebrate our respected teacher for our receiving award. Srimati student the assistant teacher of Nonghikai Secondary School. Mr. Roshan Okrel, the headmaster of Nonghikai School, and also by Jesur Bala, the head teacher of Center Village, Jira. Teachers are more than just educators. They are mentors, guides, and nation builders. Your recognition today is a testament to the value of your work and the gratitude of our society. Let me share a small story. One day, I request all the students kindly listen to a small story. One day, a little boy went to a bamboo set. He saw a garden of many colors. Red, blue, green, and white color. He asked the bamboo setter, "Uncle, will the red bamboo go up to the sky?" And the bamboo setter replied, "Yes, my son. The red bamboo will go up to the sky." Again, the little boy asked the bamboo setter, "Uncle, will the blue, the green, and the white bamboo go up to the sky?" The bamboo setter replied, "Yes, my son. Yes, my son." And also he smiled when he answered the little boy, "Yes, they will all rise to the sky. But remember, it is not the color of the bamboo that makes it go up. It is what is inside." In the same way, it is not just about a school infrastructure. It's not about the activities we have in our school. It's not about the facilities that we have in our school. But what we as teachers put inside the mind and heart of our students, your wisdom, your values, and dedication are what will lift them to the sky of success.